Oh my gosh, are you excited?
Go.
Oh my god, you're so excited.
Go. You're gonna go to car wash.
There it is, pal. Look. Look, there it is. Oh, that's so cool. Look at
What do you see?
car wash.
Whoa.
Hey, look, Mommy's not asleep this time.
It's dirty.
That's amazing.
It's dirty.
Look at pal. Look at the wipers on the side. Look at. Wow. That's scary.
See all the colors?
Spooky.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that, Ryder. Is that cool? It's almost
It's
done.
all cream.
Look, there's more color.
Here it comes. Look out. Here it goes.
Is the car clean now?
Look,
Wow, that's cool.
Whoa, is that cool?
That's cool, Ryder.
let's go to car wash. Let's go. It's all clean. Car wash. Cars is all clean.
Woohoo! Did you like that?
Car is all cream.
All done. So what did you think, Ryder?
Neato, pal.
Was that cool?
Let's start again.
Oh no, that's enough. The car's not dirty no more, it's clean.
Oh, all the spots are over there. They're taken, Mommy.
Shoot.
Oh, there's that one over there.
Yeah, let's go there.
More
But it's a handicap.
Oh. Yeah, I took them all. Sorry, Mommy.
Okay. I guess Ryder has to sit in the sun.
Whoa.
Why?
The fuck?
Why? Why
Whoa.
is it doing that?
There's something.
There's nothing back there. Ah, this fucking car, man. Why is it doing that? Pile of crap.
Okay, you want to vacuum?